Welcome to English Listening Practice. Improve your English skills through stories, conversations, and daily practice. Our channel is designed to help you 7 habits for fluency in English. For greater fluency in English, focus on building consistent, practical habits that prioritize speaking and thinking in the language. Instead of solely memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists, these habits help you use English naturally and confidently in everyday situations. 1. Think in English. To speak without hesitation, you must train your brain to stop translating every thought from your native language. How to practice? Begin with simple mental narrations of your daily activities. For example, as you make coffee, mentally describe each step. First, I'll put the kettle on. Then, I'll find my favorite mug. Benefits. This habit helps you develop a direct connection between English words and your ideas, which is the foundation of true fluency. 2. Shadow English audio. Shadowing is the practice of listening to English audio and immediately repeating what you hear. How to practice. Find short, clear audio clips from sources like TED Ed or BBC Learning English. Listen carefully and then repeat the speaker, mimicking their pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Benefits. This technique trains your mouth and brain to produce English sounds correctly, improving your accent and speaking speed. 3. Talk to yourself out loud. Speaking to yourself in English may feel strange, but it's one of the most effective ways to get comfortable forming sentences. How to practice. Narrate your daily life out loud, even for just a few minutes. You can describe your plans for the day or your opinion on a current event. Benefits. This removes the anxiety of speaking with another person and helps you identify where your speaking skills are lacking. 4. Record and review yourself. Recording your voice allows you to hear your speech from a different perspective and identify areas for improvement. How to practice. Once a week, record yourself for a minute, talking about a specific topic. When you listen back, pay attention to your pronunciation, grammar, and areas where you hesitate. Benefits. By listening to your recordings, you can focus on specific errors and track your progress over time. 5. Use English in real-life interactions. Fluency comes from putting your skills into practice with others. Don't wait for perfection before you start speaking with real people. How to practice. Find a language partner online or in your community. You can also use English speaking apps to connect with conversation partners. Benefits. Interacting with others forces you to think on your feet, use colloquial phrases, and adapt to the natural flow of conversation. 6. Read and listen to engage. Passive exposure to English through media can greatly expand your vocabulary and help you understand natural speech patterns. How to practice. Consistently listen to podcasts, watch English movies or TV shows, and read articles or books that interest you. Benefits. This is a low-pressure way to absorb new vocabulary and expressions in a natural, contextual way, making it more effective than rote memorization. 7. Embrace mistakes. Many learners get stuck because they are afraid of making mistakes. True fluency comes from embracing error as a part of the learning process. How to practice. Give yourself permission to speak imperfectly. Focus on communicating your message rather than on perfect grammar. Benefits. By letting go of the need for perfection, you will feel more confident and willing to practice, which accelerates your progress. Subscribe now and join our global community of learners. Together, Let's make English learning fun, easy, and effective. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.